Today I'm going to show you how to do this really quick and easy half up top knot. It's really in right now. All the celebrities are wearing it, so I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I curled my hair. I used a 1-inch iron, and I just go ahead and I used the clamp, and I just went around and spun it and then let it drop. Just gave it this kind of natural blown out look, kind of that I woke up like this feeling. So then after I do that, I comb it through with my boar bristle brush. Combing it through with the boar bristle brush gives a lot of shine to it. It also brings down the natural oils down your hair, so it's always good to keep your ends moisturized. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull up right where your parietal bone is. So take your 2 fingers and put them there and go back to the top of your head. And pull out that extra hair. You want to keep your part. The part's going to give it a more modern look. You don't want to have, if it's going straight back, it's a little bit more formal, a little bit more like pompadour-ish. This is just a fun half up look. Good for going out with jeans on. You can wear it if you're going to like a gala, if you want to look a little bit more funky. Alright, so I'm just going to check my part. I've got a nice little natural part. And you want to check that your sides are even. They don't have to be like perfect. Y'all know I don't like perfect. Okay, perfect. Not. So, okay, I have this, and I'm just going to twist it. You don't want to put your hair in a ponytail before you make the bun. It will make it too, like geisha girlish. If you want it like that, that's cool. Just go ahead and put a ponytail in first and then twist it around. So I'm just twisting that around, and I'm going to kind of smush it down. And then I'm taking my mini Invisibobble, and now it's only gonna get around one time, and that's gonna also help flatten it. And I'm gonna pull it out a little bit, and I'm just gonna use a couple hairpins to hold that in place. Making sure my bobby pins are crisscrossing. Oh yeah. Got one little piece hanging out up there. So if you guys have layers, it might take a few more of these pins to let it go down. I don't have that many layers in my hair. Okay, so this is the finished look. It's really fun, easy to do, takes like less than 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it. I feel like you'll look fabulous in it. So comment below, tell me what's the next look that you guys want to see. Thanks.